My name is John Paul Okwiri, the CEO of Konza Technopolis. Today is a very important day for us as we are hosting the Korea Electronic Association led by the President and CEO, Chong-Wan Park, and the members of the association who have joined us today in Konza Technopolis. We have been able to sign a collaboration agreement with the Korea Association or Electronic Association, and today it's a very important day for us as Konza Technopolis because we've been able to achieve one of the critical clusters of Konza Technopolis, that is engineering, ICT and ICT-enabled services, and life sciences. This signing today with the Korea Electronic Association will enable us as Konza Technopolis to settle investors in Konza. And it's opening up opportunity for Kenyan investors also to benefit from exchange of technology, technological exchange and knowledge exchange between Kenya and Korea. We are going to open up Kenya and Konza to Korean technology through electronic manufacturing. The association has committed to establish a manufacturing center, electronic manufacturing center in Konza Technopolis, and this is a project that is going to open up Konza Technopolis to all the investors who are interested in semiconductor business, electronic business, devices, ICT, AI-enabled devices, and this will happen in Konza Technopolis. Therefore, it's an important day for us as Konza, and we thank the Korea Electronic Association for this gesture and collaboration of bringing this technology to Konza Technopolis.